Thank you for even taking time to watch this. Yeah, this might suck or whatever. So basically, I just thought of something as a fun weekend project. So basically, I'm going to build a command line tool that basically help you to clean log files, like not necessarily log files or any kind of file you want to reduce conversion file. I mean, you shouldn't be that conversion file, but basically log files. So if you have a bunch of log files on your server or your system and they're taking a lot of space and you want to trim them to say the last 10 or 20 lines, yeah, this is tool for you. And yeah, I'll be capturing my screen while coding this. So yeah, just for fun sake. And also one thing, I've never done this screen recording before, so I don't know how I'm sounding right now. I just want to make this as fun as possible with myself. So let's get started. So I don't have a name for the project yet. At the end I'll put it on GitHub and post the link, so be ready for criticism, for PR, whatever. Yeah, so what should we call this project right now? Mm, yeah, log trimmer, log rimmer, log cutter. Log rimmer sounds good. Log rimmer or log ripper, like John the Ripper. Log ripper, log ripper. Yeah, let's go. Log ripper. So I'll just create a folder. Log ripper. Yeah, cd into it. Yeah, we have our empty folder. Just locate in it. Right. So I just recently upgraded my Mac to Mac so there have been lot of things I have to work on. So default branch is ask me for the default branch. So because of the whole Black Lives Matter things, nobody wants to use master. This would have been master. So I just use me and whatever. Yeah. So I think that's back. So go back to our editor or our ID. I don't know what VS Code is actually. So we open a folder. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be teaching anybody about this one. Then we open, I think is now ph something, log reaper, log reaper. So I'm not going to be talking too much here. I might get into the real stuff soon enough. I'm just talking to keep things interesting. So open, yeah. So we have our studio open. First file I want to create, a readme file. So we import those people. So basically in our readme file we can show a preview and like log reaper and just put some comments over there like log reaper. Okay, I can't type and I also can't spell, so bear with me. It's a command line tool for stripping out large log files in a directory or as a standalone or a standalone file rather. Standalone file. Yep. We just leave that there. Add more stuff as we keep continue coding. So I'm going to quit this preview right now. I'm going to open up our terminal. So first of all, in stamina, what do I want to have? Okay, can open the terminal. Can open the terminal. Uh, yeah, so I'm opening the terminal from here. So I actually forgot the command. I was using command backtick instead of control backtick. That's on me. Okay, so where do we get started? First of all, we would have our main file, our code.main file, because this obviously this is going to be coded in golang. And yeah, one thing first I usually do, I usually have my code doc server running in the background so that I don't need to really Google stuff, I just check the documentation. So code doc should do it. Yeah. It's started in the background. Well, so we can always bring it up with everything. So we can go to Safari, local host 8018, yeah, 16. Yeah, so we have our local code documentation in which we can quickly check our stuff eventually. Yeah, so okay, let's go ahead, create our code.main file, main.com, should appear, yeah. So package main, our import, then our function main. First thing I want to undo, we want to use the flag because it's a command line tool, so it's going to take some flag parameters. So we want to use the flag package. So yeah, let's go over and check the documentation. Flag, can always search flag. Yeah, we can always search for stuff. So we import flag, we give it variable name. So basically, we want a binary that when built, you can do stuff like log good bar dash t. Okay, let's go to the readme, write some stuff down. Some stuff down here. Then we come over terminal. So basically, we'll say now this will be the name of our binary log bar slash n 100, then give it a parts. Basically this should clean all files in the folder to the last 100 lines. So we should be able to add an extension. We don't want your file from n10 an extension ext. Just need this line minus ext. So if you want a .lg file, so it works on that in the parts to the directory. So we would automatically detect what I've put on the code, and a file to also automatically say that. Okay, I think this is a good starting point. Yep, this is a good starting point. Yeah, so this should be flag, royal flag, so we can forgetting how it's being used again. Yeah, okay, so we have a bunch of flag. having help myself. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Chunka, 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 chunka. Okay. Yeah, we go back. So we have our variable. I'll call this clean lines. Clean lines. I'll give it a flag dot int and the default value is 100, of course. So this the app message will be the number of lines to be left in the okay, I'm speaking too much squares. The number of files to be left in the files basically. So we also have and what we also have a extension. So this will be extension. So basically this is the flag we'll be accepting for now. We can go ahead and improve on this, right? Or you can make a PL, that's what it is here. So empty extension. The extension name of file belongs to the extension name of files you want to be cleaned. I think it should actually be called and it should rather be called um, log cleaner. Okay, yeah, so there are a couple of things to do also. Yeah, we could go. So I started using the background, so no problem. So we could do go mode init log bar. So yeah, we just want to do that. Yeah. So we have our go mode files. Yeah. So our go mode file we are using go 1.1 to have log bar of course. Yeah. So yeah, now we need to do flag.pins obviously, or we should probably add that in our init directory. So init is usually called before main in Go. So yeah, we should be go with that. So yeah, then we want to also check for the argument. Want to also check for the argument. That's the part one. Okay, we just improvise and at the part one makes sense. Easier. Scroll part. Blank the part of the directory or folder file you want to part of the directory or file you want to clean. Should be using zip instead of clean actually. Okay, so yeah, that's it now. So we have our lines. So now the next thing we want to do is go into the files and we need our OS package. And our OS package of course to be able to help us identify the files. So we'll go back to our documentation, we go to our OS package and see if we can find anything useful. Yeah, so we need to list the directory. Yeah, list blah clicking okay, because 5 to look for 5 equals to find the team. We don't want any issues, right? No, isn't that the supposed to import part? Sorry. Okay. Oh, this is going to be a clash right now. Part 5 parts. So you see 5 parts. Since basically everything is a file. Open it up to the file. So we can use 5 parts because we can yeah. So we need this ladder. So basically what does return a string for us. So you can just use a local variable. 5 parts, yeah, okay, good. Yeah, so that's it. Now we need to open the file to know whether the document file equals to os.open 5 parts. Now which comes with an error. So this will come with an error. So we do. This is usually what code developers have been mock for. So import the log package also. This is pointing then where we os.exit can exit to 0 or exit to 1. So now we need to check whether the file is a directory or a file. So find start, you can check the start, going back to the documentation. When we open the file, we can get the start, we return a find no update. So we can check the documentation that is directory. So this is what we're looking for. So we go back, I start. So you can really see more architecture or plan this just sprung up coding. So you might expect some, you might expect some, I don't know what to call it, I don't know what to call it. Anyways, file the start. Now I got the start object. Why is this in probably returns an error also. So as a quoted as a bar needs to be familiar with handling errors. So right now we are not actually handling the error well. First we also need to exit here if we can. Fine. So this is just going to be almost everything is going to be inside the main function. So it's going to be listener first. So now I want to check if this is a directory. If standard is directory, if that the way it's called, it should be this. This is a directory. And it okay. Is directory of course. Okay. 5 stars. Okay. So directory else. This is a file that we want to truncate. So we want to truncate it by how many lines? So let's handle for a single file first. Let's handle for a single file first. Yeah. So what do we want to do? First of all, we get the lines which we already have. So we can do OF is a function called OF.truncate according to the usage also. So I have to look at it again. Truncate, find. We can use truncate. Wow, there isn't one apparently. Blah blah blah. Yeah. How come it doesn't come out in search? Well, wait. Truncate. Where are you now? Okay, so basically what truncate is change the size of the main part, blah blah blah. So it changed the size of the side. Okay, basically we don't want that. Let's see any other function that here we can use. So let me see. We can let's quickly go back and write a function from the down. So we know we can use it with our function. What we could do is seek to the end of the file, find the size. Let's check this again. If there's size for our file object. Yeah. So one thing we don't want to do, we don't want to change everything of the as the file descriptor of the file, because that might cause issues with other processes writing to the file. So we just want to act on the same, because it's probably more easier if we just like create a new file with the name, like create a new file with the name of the file, then delete the previous one, then copy the last content of it and put it into box. We don't want to do that because that will change like the file descriptor and maybe a process and talking to the log file initially with the same file descriptor won't be able to access it again, and that might cause issues. So we don't want to. So that's what I'm trying to avoid. Anyways, we can check our file size in our file start we have before. So let's go back. Where is our start object? Find start. Let's see. Okay, don't need to call just the size down. So we can seek to the okay. We also need to pass the file start also. We also need to, it's getting a little bit interesting. File starting, start, yeah. So we will just go and seek to the end of the file. Start the what do we see here? Which is side, right? Wins 0, so we can be more civil here and use the constant value instead of 0. So the constant value is, yeah, 6 sets. 6 sets. Where start 6 sets. So we have 1. So we have undefined 5 start. The 5 start. Okay. 5 start. 5 info. So for this one, 5 info. Yep. Okay. So we are up to the end of the file. Then now, what we want to do now is we'll keep reading from the file. We'll keep reading from the file and see if any of what we read is a new line. So when it's a new line, we want to count by how many new lines so we have read. So let's just create a new buffer, a byte buffer, because we'll be reading by byte. So both, yeah, for lack of better name, honestly, that's only naming is art. We all know that. Make make not int bytes object. Let's 100 100 a little bit too small. Yeah, was fine. So yeah, next thing I want to do is from, let's see, new line count, new line count equals to 0. Okay, let's look at the video size. It's almost a gig. Wow, that's large. That's very large. It's like 890 MB right now for 33 minutes. So that's some inspiration to speed this up. So now, what am I doing? Okay, so new line count less than, what do we name this stuff? Cleans line. Yeah, cleans line. Yeah. This is also so this okay. So yeah, I just still reference the pointer. I was trying to avoid this. Yeah, but it seems unavoidable. Like from the start, if you probably notice, trying to avoid it with this, but it seems unavoidable. Anyways, continue from where we stop. So first thing we want to do, we will read find the link and into the both. I've also forgotten how the file actually work. Please pardon me. And yeah, read. Okay, I think what we want to do is like we seek from the end, not from. Let's not seek from the beginning. Little one. All of a sudden, my mouse stopped scrolling up and down. Yeah, it's working now. So, okay, sorry about that. we we are just constantly in seek from the end, not from the beginning. We are seek from the end, so five. So we can this will be zero then. Oh, that simplifies things very well. We don't need to pass this. Yeah, so seek from the end. So we read okay, our first seek. Yeah, seek from the end. Mm, see. So we'll be calling seek multiple times. Let's say seek pause goes to zero. Yeah, seek pause, seek position goes to zero. Then we read our buffer and give us two values, the number of bytes reads and an error. So mm, okay. This needs to be in 64 and 64. Yeah, it's increasingly likely I'll consume comes out Stack Overflow for something which I don't want to because I don't even have internet close by right now. Yeah. Okay, so we read by this position. Mm, we read by six position. So our six position initially should be 100 bytes. Yeah. So we read by six position. First of all, we increment our seek pose plus equals to n. Nope. Also, we want to undo that error. Let's see the possible errors that we may get if we read. And so we know how to undo the error. Read error. Okay, we might get E of error, which is good. So we should probably ignore this error. We should probably ignore the error. This should return in 64 also. Surprising thing return in 64. I think we should ignore this error because it's an EOF error. Okay, no, we shouldn't ignore the error. If it's an EOF error, we just if error is not equals to nil, I think we should return the error. Yeah. So basically we have this, so not criminal file for you. So we have read our bytes and okay. So first of all, I want to check if any of what we read is in line. Yeah, so for P, which will stand for bytes, for and our both we ignore this one. It's clever not use. Now I want to check if P is a new and if P is a new line. Yeah, so we need to do something like this. Um, yeah, let's see. Okay, let's do something like first of all, we can quickly consult Python to see the byte value of a new line Python 3. Yeah, so let's have a string containing a new line char the char order, you know. So our new line is 10. Let's see what A is to be sure. A is not 7, of course. So our new line is 10 in bytes. So we can do away with this and just put if P equals to 10 because it's bytes. Then we have a new line. New line counts plus plus. Yeah. So when we say new line plus plus, okay. So we have this. We have all of this. We can go ahead and see our file don't write and we can actually have those bytes somewhere. We can store those bytes somewhere. Yeah, we can store those bytes. We need to convert bytes to the file. So that we speed up our development. Yeah, I hope both, yeah, both, yeah, yeah, again, I've forgotten. That's on me. So, yep, we just want to do this to make things easier for us. Yeah, we import it also, and that's the only fine. If we'll be using the pool for this, well, it doesn't matter. So we have file contents then. So we can basically be writing our stuff in. Now we can see it's going to be in the reverse order. Like override the last line, yeah, the next line, yeah, the next line, yeah. Okay, let's basically do file dot write. Okay, let's see what the file does again. File write bytes. Yeah. Okay, so basically we have our file contents. Okay, we're going to use this as in, so we have our file contents equals to make bytes, and what will be the size of our is going to be equals now. So we do file down 5 3 mm, 6 holes from the end. No, yeah, we basically do this, which we probably have done, but for brevity's sake, let's do it again. To our file content. Yeah, so we can then go ahead and truncate this file. I hope truncate shows up this time around. It doesn't show. Truncate, yeah. Okay. So we'll truncate this file. File.truncate. OS.truncate first. OS.truncate. What's the file name? File.name 0. I want to keep truncating this one. Oh, okay, let's see how it works. Oh, yeah, in 64 again. In 64 again. So, can I see this file name? Oh, yeah. Our file object is probably okay. Before I go ahead and confirm, let's call it. Yeah, I find. So no need to confirm. So we can then write our file content into this new file. Will this work? Will this work? Will this work? Will this work? So we shall find out once we start writing this. Or we may not. So let's need to go fmt to format the code first. Yeah, 3 by 5. So in if extension is empty, if we have to tell of my extension is equals to this and this. Yeah, if extension is not equal to this rather. So if extension, working through the logic, if the extension is not empty and this our file as the extension by name, and this our file doesn't have the extension by name. Okay, rather if it has the extension, we if it doesn't have the extension, we leave it. But if it has, yeah, okay, then that was fine until we start writing test. So this is almost an hour session. So we just call this Spotify. So we're almost done, I think. If there's no bugs, of course. File and our count 10 lines. This is Spotify. We need to take clean this pointer also. Yeah. So now for a directory, we just need to list all the stuff in that directory. I actually have no idea how to list or stuff. Like I don't think I've come across anything in code that lists the whole files in a directory. Well, yeah, that's all of the documentation. So we are here again. Wow, okay, there's nothing really. blah 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 blah. There's nothing. Okay, that's weird. I was expecting way to have something. Okay, part. Let's look at part. Team. So I just thought of something. We could, yeah, that would be in next version. We could club for stuff. But right now I'm not clubbing. Because yeah, it would actually be nice if we were able to club. So there's this thing in Linux which I think is also in Windows where you can do something like star dot log and match every other file in the log. So I'm not doing that yeah right now, but it might come in upcoming version or you can make a pull request. Thank you. So I don't know. I wish this is a live stream where I can ask the audience for um tips on how to get what I'm looking for. But I'm stuck here. No live stream. The video is getting larger by the day. It's 1.5 gig now. Yeah, I would actually try to compress it after. So, anyways, we are looking for something to list the directory, a package that can list the directory. Um, okay, it should be in parts. If there's nothing in parts, let's check this. Oh, this is so weird and embarrassing. Five parts, let's see. Uh, yes, work. Yeah, I actually just remember. So I saw this on the Go code base, not on the Go code base, on the Prometheus code base some time ago. Yeah, let's see how it works. So, this is the directory I want to work to. Um, five part.work current directory. So passing this function. Yeah, I think we just need to copy all of this. We just need to copy all of this. Yeah, we just need to copy all of this. It's so weird. Ah, like one. I mean, so glad I was reading that code base that time. I was just randomly reading it. Then I could remember there's a there's a work function somewhere in the file path. That was usually what happened. I quickly checked the documentation. So if else, I mean, this is kind of stressful. Normally, I would just have Google it. Then Stack Overflow give me the result part. Just like Google how to find blah blah blah. But I'm not connected to internet right now. Or internet with me. So yeah, basically what we'll walk through now is our folder name or find the name. So surprisingly we have not called anything, which is probably my favorite code command. So if there's an error, within this will return the error. If it's a directory, what do we do? Should we skip? Yeah, let's skip it. If it's a directory, we actually skip it. Yeah, we should skip. If it's a directory inside the folder we want to work on, we should skip it. If it's a directory, we just skip it. Then what we'll do is our trim file. call our clean file. We return our clean file by we didn't get the, of course we didn't get that. So we can, what can we do? 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 Well, we need to open the file again. Okay, there might be some optimizations for this later, but right now we are concerned about time. I initially projected this to be 30 minutes. But yeah, I am scrambling to write code. Okay, so we shouldn't you know, if the error is not equal to nil. Now let me go with the documentation of work very well. For work, where are you? Yeah. So work to file root, work to file three routed at root, calling one function in it blah blah, including with all errors that arise using functions after the one function. The files are working in this order. This means that for the time means the derivative doesn't follow symbolics. That's a shame. Works works the file three routed at root, yeah. Calling this function on like I want to apply understand how you can use errors. All error that arise visiting files and directory are filtered by work function. Oh, okay. So we need to undo the error bar ourselves. That means we don't want to be returning error every time. Yeah, I think we can just return error then. Oh, okay. Let's type this. I don't know why let's type that. So our file is open. Then what do we need again? Then file. What? Uh, boom. We are. Oof. Okay. This should do it. So go build. Since I'm using the binary. Ah, our binary info. So excuse me guys, I have a call. My phone. Hello.
Báwo ni?
Good evening.
O lè sọ pé kó fíláàṣì mi fún mi àti délé o.
Má bínú.
Eh, Pẹ̀lẹ́ mú ní kí ẹ ní.
It's my Shima.
Ọkùn.
Yes, ma'am.
Ọ̀gbọ́n náà dájú lórí gbogbo wa. Ó dàbọ̀.
Okay, so I didn't know what happened. I hope none of you heard that. That was a call from my mom. Anyways, so we need to create a directory for our test. Make directory log test. So I'm not going to be writing unit test right now for obvious reason. Not for there's no obvious reason though. So log test will create this directory to test our file. We touch some file. My keyboard is a little bit unresponsive right now. I don't know why. So in just having in it's very unresponsive right now. And I have no idea why. Come on. Ah, my keyboard is unresponsive. So I don't know. Quick advice if you're using Mac OS, don't not switch to big solid. I don't know. I'm still not very comfortable with it. Okay. Yeah, so anyways, we don't seem to get to this point. Uh, we don't seem to get to this point. I mean, if you know how to use it vocal, honestly, try to learn how to use it vocal. Yeah, that's part of the lazy generation that don't want to learn how to use it properly vocal. Okay, my keyboard is very unresponsive and it's a little bit annoying to say the least. Okay, we also don't get to this point. Hmm. We see the directory. Definition definition. Is this a file? Hmm. Is a directory? Okay, let's go back to view my keyboard. Like I said, very unresponsive right now. And it's a little bit annoying. Seeding log test Google. Okay. That's not the command I'm supposed to use. This is a directory. Oh, wow. It records the file path you gave it as a directory. That's so weird. That is so weird. And here within under else log dot defines my if is not equals to no. So we need to investigate why our file path is done exactly when it's obviously a file. Okay, let me try something else. Maybe that might be the cause. Looking directly something. Is that clear also? Yeah, so let's try to see the five parts we are getting. Let's try to see the five parts we are getting. Okay, so most likely I'm going to trim all this part away from the main video. Yeah, thought I just do this. Okay, I think I will switch camera now. I will switch my camera now because I don't know if VS Code is a little bit unresponsive now. Log this, yeah, this is better. So, what's the command we're running? Yeah, I'm using part of the lazy generation. We now do this. Is it directly? Okay. Let's go back and so my VS Code terminal has been slowing down. I noticed it since yesterday, but I wasn't sure the cause, so I didn't know. Though since I've got my Mac, there have been a lot of strange issues in this Mac. Anyways, I will just use Tmox. So, Tmox is also things. It's empty. As you can see, it's empty. It's so empty. Empty. So if it's a directory pointing to the current listing, we should be able to see the files. Then I'm hypothesizing, seeding, blah blah blah, and go build, blah blah blah, and cd again into the log text. I'm just typing this full command, so we don't need to organize if we want to test. Okay. So basically, this is this is bad. That is empty. Okay, we can get there. Good. There's an error somewhere. I can see 0.9 error. So we can get to this point. So we are in stock writer error. Yeah, UF error. Yeah, so we need to ignore if error equals to me. We need to ignore UF error actually. I mean, I said that, but of course, if error equals to, I'm not sure what the name of this error is called right now. Just find it UF IO.UF. So we need to import IO. Yeah, I've been trying to avoid importing too many values. If error equals no, no. As a matter of fact, we should just continue. No matter the kind of error we get at this point, right? Yeah, it's anything you have been avoided. We want an infinite loop. Yeah, we definitely be. If it's an error, we are not supposed to continue. We are supposed to break. Classic me. Anyways, let's run that again. And we check our file. It's empty. Nothing into it. Let's try this again. Let's be sure. Okay, empty. So it shouldn't be empty. Should it? Yeah, it should, because we specify. We specify n equals to 1. So yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see what our sequence is. Um, 100, 100, yeah. And let's see what our both is. Both is empty. Okay, so we can. Okay, I have an idea. okay. Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, so I think I have seen a piece of board here. So it is on the if find down down less on the I need to check something right here. If I am um, costing um, info, yeah. So what's here? I don't know why this might fix our issue, but I simply hypothesize that our file is not up to this size and we are sticking to it. So that's fine. Yeah. Pushing sequence from the end. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see what else goes for us. Yes, waiting. We'll see alphabet here. 13. So I'll find the engine. So we have any sequence for let's see what is it up to then buy from time. Mm-hmm. Everything's there for me. What is that? Yeah, okay. Same argument applying. Same argument applying. Same argument applying. Um, both open. Six horizon. So we show me everything. Okay, no, my stuff is low, so I'm just. So still have no idea why this isn't working. Ah, I don't know. It feels. I'm pretty sure this is like a bug from the Go source code. I don't know. Maybe I should find an issue or something. Because I really just copied and pasted the previous code from the example here. And yeah. Anyways, we can look for other approaches to list the folders of a directory. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see. No, apply. Read directory looks interesting. Aha, this is what we're looking for. Yep, this is literally what we are looking for. Well, just copy and paste this. This is exactly what I need. Let's see if this will work for our file. Into fmt go fmt main.com. Yep. Alright. So log.photo. So yeah, we removed this that we had here initially. Open back this. Yeah. So if it's a diagram, basically we already have the file, right? No, we need to reopen it on our file dot name here. We do away with this guy, and we are left with this. I owe it to. I own. I owe you to. Oh yeah. Okay. Couldn't find name. First of all, let's see whether we're able to get a file name from this. Oh, still having one. Is it directory? Same thing. Okay, there's probably an error somewhere. Are we building? City going this. Yeah. FM. This guy also bought nothing. I guess this is not. This is probably bug in our coding. Not a can or something. Open fire. Okay. I know why that was happening. Yeah, we were able to list all the files, but where's the work? We weren't able to. So that's strange. Anyways, we everything looks promising now, so we can go ahead and do this. Should really open the file for reading. File dot name ft clever no use, boom. This should fix our directory issue. Let's go find it again. FMT. So FMT is actually my favorite Go package, to be honest. It seems getting replaced by Fatal. Do you want to be using Fatal? I initially wanted to use Fatal for this. With Fatal, we don't need to exit from the OS. We continue. We basically continue. We can work on the file. Yes. Our project looks good now, so let's test it. We have AAA, BBB. Now let's test it on 2. Yep, let's see. We have got 3, I've got 2 here. Okay, let's do it again. Let's give it 1, 2, 10. Let's make it 12. Okay, we know this now. 3 and 3 also. We are supposed to get 2. Okay, this is a serious bug now. So we are supposed to trim to 2 because the command we are putting here and passing 2. Also, I think we should remove the parts. Yeah, we should leave it. It looks okay. Yeah, so our bug is basically here. Oh yeah, the reason is if we have a new line here, let's see, we have a new line. So this is actually not a bug. Passing. Let's add a new line for this case. Add an empty place here and no empty. And let's go ahead and run transitive behavior. So we have this 3 and we have this 2. So you can see there is no new line there. So this is not a bug actually, it's fine. There's no new line there, but there's no line there. There's no line for this file. There's no line, so we were actually splitting by new line. Yeah. So that's probably the end of this. So I'm just going to push this to GitHub right now. Oh, let me see what we can do. Wait me. So this should not be in this place. So then put some, yeah, okay, the sample usage. Yep. So I might actually push this to YouTube or not. Stay tuned. So the sample usage will be parts here and it's parts. Yeah. 305. So we need to like we're probably because we're out of time. We will should write tests actually. To be honest, I don't have enough time right now to write tests. I just wanted to do this quickly. But I should definitely write tests so yeah. To do write tests. So you're welcome to make a PR for testing. Thank you for watching this video. Also, thank you for watching this video.